back guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Manisha and today is the review day. Today I'm going to unbox my Fab Bag and my March Fab Bag. Why I'm opening my Fab Bag so late? Because I got it so late. Yes, this is the first time I've subscribed to Fab Bag and I subscribed on 15th of Feb. So they sent me my Fab Bag in March, around 5 or 6 March, and then after 5 to 7 days I got my March Fab Bag also. So for you, Fab Bag will be something you've already seen, but for me both of them are new and full of surprises. So let's get into the video and see what all I've got there. So this is the Fab Bag, and here is the card, the personalized card they sent. Fab Bag was known as Shade of Love. Now this is the pouch, which is a nice chocolate color pouch. I like this color. And here's the first product they've sent me. It is the eyeshadow palette from Artist SRF color. So it's the full pack. Looks very good. I'm excited to use it. Next is this Cosmeto Food coffee and chocolate body wash. No, sorry, it's bespoke. It's bespoke chocolate and coffee body wash. This also looks so deliciously beautiful. Now this is my favorite. It's nail lacquer from Major Crush. Yeah, from Major Crush. It's Chocolate Amour, shade number 123. It's super cute, guys. It's my favorite. And this is the last product. It's tasteable and it's Cosmeto Food Organic Moisturizer. So it's skin soother and it's tasteable. I'm excited to use that. These two products I got because I availed an offer that was going on when I subscribed to Fab Bag. So this is Bio Bloom Face Moisturizer, and this one is Twak Elixir Hair Growth Concentrate. So yeah, pretty cool. I am excited to use all these products. This is the bag and these are the products here. Let's move on to the March Fab Bag now. So here we go. This is the pouch. It's a little smaller in size, but that's okay. And I don't know whether you can exactly make out the color of the bag. It's rose gold. Yeah, rose gold, and from underneath the silver is showing. So it's kind of cute. Now that's the card they send. It's the I empowered March Fab Bag. So that's there. This is cool stuff. This is Bolly Glow Star Beauty Secret Bamboo Face Mask Anti-Blemish. So I'm really excited to use this, and I'll tell you how it goes. So yeah, this costs 195 rupees. And here's Vatika, Dabur Vatika Enriched Coconut Hair Oil. I think everybody knows about this. Vatika is a very good coconut oil, I must say. I used to use it. And then there is this Matte Look Lashes Push-Up Mascara, which the bottle looks very glamorous, very nice. I'll use it and then I'll let you know. See, that's the bottle or the pack, whatever you call it. That is it. And it's very shiny and flashy. And this is the mascara stick. Now there are some more things inside the pouch. Okay, we've already seen 3. Now this is Sage Cosmetic Nail Lacquer again, and it's a gel polish. Let me show you the shade. This, it's a very pretty color, very nice color. So I am really happy with my subscription. And there is, okay, what is that? Global Beauty Secrets, and there are 2 products in this pack. One is the charcoal face mask and one is Greek yogurt and lavender body moisturizer. So let's open and see. There, yeah. So this is the moisturizer, body moisturizer, and this one is the charcoal face mask. And there's one more thing. So many things are coming out of this. Okay, yeah, I have been wanting to use this. This is the waterproof jet black half and half eyeliner pen from Half and Half. Yeah, I have been wanting to use an eyeliner pen for so long, but I did not buy it because I was a little skeptical whether it will work or not. So I just stayed with my eyeliners, liquid ones and pencil ones. But now, thanks to the Fab Bag, they gave me an opportunity to try this, and I will share my experience with you guys in some of my other videos. So yeah, I'm very happy, pretty happy with both the Fab Bags. They are actually fab. This is my first time, as I told you, subscribing Fab Bags, and I'm really happy. They are worth the price. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. Please share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, that's my little one in the background you're listening to. He's doing some goo gaga because he has started to do that now. I will be meeting you guys in my next video on my pregnancy journey, so stay tuned for that. I have a lot of good information to share with you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you. Bye. Take care.